Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here we've got the timer icon. As you can see, now the timer is off, so the device is taking photos right after touching the shutter button. If you want to set the timer, simply tap on this icon. And as you can see, now we've got 3 seconds, and after touching the shutter button, your device will count down from 3 and then it will take a photo. In order to choose another time, simply tap on the icon, and from now on, after 5 seconds, your device will take a photo. After tapping on this icon again, you will switch to 10 seconds delay. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it again, and now the timer is off. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.